Hello guys, welcome to Let's Design CAD. Today we'll see how to change units in AutoCAD. So, for example, you made a drawing which is in millimeters, but you later on find that you need to make that drawing in centimeters. So, for that, we need to change units in AutoCAD. So, for that, our first step would be we have to write dash DWG units, which is showing on our screen. Enter. After that, next step would be its unit for length, which is 3 mentioned here by default. So 3 is millimeters here, you can see. So we want that to be in centimeters, and for that we need to write 4 here, which is mentioned, and we have to write 4. Enter. And now he's asking drawing unit display format. Yeah, we want that to be in decimal, so we'll press 2. Enter. Now next step is he's asking linear display precision. Okay, by default as it is. Enter. So next step is scale objects from other drawings upon insert. Yes or no? So yes, we want other drawings to be scaled. So we click on yes. Next step, we want match INS units to drawing units. Yes, we want that. And next step is scale objects in current drawing to reflect change in units. Yes, we want our current drawings to be reflected. Yes. Okay. Next is include objects in paper space. Yes, we want that. Okay. Although you might not be able to see the drawing because of change of scale, so in order to make it appear again, we need to write zoom enter, which is Z enter, extents which are given below, or we can write E enter, and this is our drawing. So in this way you can convert the scale of drawing. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to units, then do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to share and subscribe this video. Have a great day.